Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lena Talk. Today, we are going to practice English conversation about drinking coffee. So, let's get started.
Hi, Kate. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every day.
Every day?
Yes, it makes me happy.
I think coffee is bad.
Bad? Why bad?
Because it makes me feel tired later.
But it gives me energy.
Really? It makes me sleep late.
Yes, me too, but I like the taste.
I prefer tea.
Tea is good, but coffee is stronger.
My mom says coffee is not good.
My dad says coffee is good.
So, coffee is good and bad?
Yes, good for me, maybe bad for you.
That's true.
Let's drink water. Water is always good.
Yes, water is the best.
Wow, what do you think after watching this? Is it good or bad? Tell me and comment below. I hope this lesson helped you improve your English and gave you more confidence to speak. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will become. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English conversations. See you next time.